Why do leaves change color? Leaves change color? Let's find out why. Drippy's water cycle adventure. Drippy's going on a water ride, come along. The pollination party. Bees help flowers grow, buzz in and see how. Spin, spin, Earth. Day and night? It's Earth spinning round. What's under the ground? Let's dig deep and see what lives below. Where does rain come from? Clouds full? It's raining time, let's see how. From caterpillar to butterfly. Watch a caterpillar turn into a butterfly. Why is the sun so important? The sun powers life. Let's see how it shines. Solids, liquids, and gases, oh my. Ice, water, steam, what's the difference? The Four Seasons Forest Festival. Spring to winter, every season is special. The river's journey. Follow the river from mountain to sea. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's clean up with 3 magic words: reduce, reuse, recycle. The mystery of the invisible pull. It's a magnet. Let's see what it can pull. Where did the air go? Air's all around us, even if we can't see it. Let there be light. Shine a light, make a shadow, see the magic. Shocking discoveries. Let's light it up with a spark of electricity. All living things. Is it alive? Let's find out what's living. Fire and safety. Fire is helpful, but we must be safe. What's it made of? Wood, metal, glass, what's your stuff made of? Animal homes around us. Let's peek into the cozy homes animals build.